There are number of things you are unintentionally doing that are keeping you stuck. And this feeling can lead you to get frustrated. It also means you are not progressing towards your goals and you are stagnating. So, if you are feeling this now, or if you have ever felt this in the past, in this video, I want to share with you 5 habits that can be contributing to your feeling stuck and not progressing, and simple yet essential principles to get unstuck. So let's get right into it. First, infomania. This habit involves constantly seeking information, whether it's through browsing the internet, checking emails, or scrolling through social media. The constant need to stay updated can lead to difficulties in focusing on tasks and can even affect sleep quality. To overcome infomania, it's essential to take breaks from information overload. This means resisting the urge to constantly check your phone or consume new information. Instead, try schedule specific times for information consumption and focus on tasks without distraction. Second, knowing but not doing. This habit refers to having knowledge about what needs to be done but struggling to take actions on it. You might be passionate about learning and self-improvement but find it challenging to implement what you have learned. To bridge the knowing-doing gap, start by selecting one thing you have learned and commit to applying it in your life. Taking small actionable steps can help turn knowledge into meaningful process. Third one, addicted to achievements. Achievement addiction. Constantly chasing achievements without taking time to celebrate success can lead to feeling of inadequacy and burnout. This habit involves tying your sense of self-worth to external accomplishments and constantly seeking validation through achievements. To break from the achievement addiction, prioritize self-care and mindfulness. Schedule leisure time to unwind and reflect on your accomplishments. Surround yourself with supportive people who value you for who you are, not just what you achieve. Fourth one, constant multitasking. Multitasking may seem like a way to stay productive, but it often leads to increased stress and decreased focus. Constantly switching between the tasks can prevent deep engagement and hinder progress. To combat constant multitasking, practice mindfulness and focus on one task at a time. Resist the urge to switch between the tasks and allow yourself to fully immerse in the present activity. Taking short breaks for reflection can also help recharge your mental batteries. Fifth one, attachment to your phone. Our phones have become integral parts of our lives, but excessive phone use can negatively impact focus and productivity. Having your phones constantly within reach can lead to distraction and drain cognitive resources. To reduce attachment to your phone, create boundaries by keeping it out of sight during focused work period. Establish specific times for checking notification and stick to them. By minimizing distractions, you can improve focus and productivity. Overcoming these habits requires self-awareness, mindfulness, and consistent efforts. By making small changes in behavior and prioritizing focus and self-care, you can break free from feeling stuck and making meaningful progress towards your goals. Thank you for watching this video. Subscribe to this channel to get more such content. Thank you very much.